So we're using the mineral rich peeling gel from Seacret.
From Seacret.
The secret is out.
Hey guys, Keia Valentin here and welcome to my channel. So today I have with me the lovely Miss Keia, and she's been in the beauty industry for over 10 years. So I figured she would be the best person to shoot this tutorial with today. I'm gonna let her take over and tell you guys what we're talking about.
Hey guys, thanks for having me, Keia.
No problem. Thanks for being here.
Cool. Today we're sharing a tutorial with you guys showing one of our amazing products. It is the mineral rich peeling gel. A lot of people feel funny when they hear peeling gel, but this is absolutely hands down the most amazing peeling product that you will ever come across. And so I'm going to explain a little bit more exactly how it works, what it's good for, and how you can benefit from it. Always start with clean hands. This here is the product, so you can take a look. It is beautiful.
It really is.
All right, and you're just going to put just a little bit on the tip of your finger. Now I'm going to apply this to her skin in circular motion, and the reason for that is you don't want to pull the skin down because that sides the skin and causes wrinkles and lines and stuff. And so
it feels so good. It has like a cooling effect, so it feels really nice.
And you're going to notice you see some white particles balling up as I apply this product. And that is actually dead skin. Okay? And so we're just going to leave that on for 1 minute.
Okay.
I'd like to tell you just a little bit more about the product because it has the minerals from the Dead Sea, which is really, really good for the skin, for youthful skin. It also is paraben-free. Now, I know we hear that a lot. We hear paraben-free shampoos, paraben-free this, paraben-free that. But what is paraben? What does it cause? Parabens actually causes your skin to get very sensitive. And that also means you could have reactions to a lot of stuff. Some studies have seen that it contributes to cancer. And it also causes toxins in the skin. When you're using stuff, you want to make sure it's paraben-free and chemical-free.
Wow, thank you for explaining that to us because I never really looked into our parabens or how they affect us. That's very good for our viewers to know that today.
You're welcome. So, I think it's been about a minute now, guys. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in with 2 fingers and I'm going to use the same circular motion, not too heavy because, again, you don't want to drag the skin. And it's a little dry now, so it'll look like I'm pulling her skin, but I'm not. I'm not hurting you, right?
No, it feels good.
Okay, guys, and so you see the particles, the white particles getting a little bit heavier and some are dropping. And that's just the dead skin, again, lifting from her face and just leaving perfectly healthy skin there. This also helps to take away dirt, any excess makeup, also anything that may have flew on your face through the day, you know, the toxins and from the air, anything that helps to lift all of that. You're going to be able to use this maybe twice a week. You don't really need it more than that, but it's very gentle. Most peeling products, when you hear peeling, a lot of people cringe, but they cringe because they think of chemicals and they think of stinging and burning sensations. Are you feeling any of that?
No, it's good.
Just a cool sensation. It helps to remove that gently. And guys, the importance of peeling is with our skin is every 30 days we change skin. So the top layer of the skin, if you guys have not ever been exfoliating or peeling, what you're doing is just piling on dead skin on top of dead skin, just sitting on the top, and then that'll be the reason for your skin looking so dull. Okay, and so you definitely want to get a good peel and an exfoliator. You're done. You're going to rinse your face with warm water.
Okay.
And pat dry, and you're going to see the difference from there. So as you can see, she's rinsed away with warm water all of the excess peeling gel, and she just pat dry her skin. So you don't have to wipe it, rub it, anything harsh. And as you can see, her skin is more vibrant. How does it feel?
It feels amazing.
Is it tight?
No, it's
Dry?
not tight at all. It doesn't feel dry. In fact, it just feels like silk. It feels silky smooth. So I'm loving this feeling.
Remember when I was touching the skin earlier and it looked like I was pushing the skin? Look at that.
Like a baby's bottom.
Yeah. Yeah, a clean one.
Yes, a clean one, of course. Of course.
Again, like we said, the importance of the peeling gel is to take away dirt, away with all the toxins, all the dirt, all the excess dead skin, all of that. And it's very gentle. And it's always good when you're peeling or exfoliating the skin to make sure you hydrate your skin after. A lot of people feel that, especially in warmer climates, that moisturizers aren't necessary. But it absolutely is, because it puts back the necessary moisture into the skin. And it helps your skin to stay moist and supple. And guess what, guys? When you have that moist skin, there's no cracking.
Of course.
All right. So I definitely want to recommend the Intensive Moisture Face Cream. And this one here is for normal to dry skin, which Keia has.
Yeah.
Just make sure you choose your skin type and it'll balance out perfectly. And just use a little. Smell it. Isn't that nice?
The smell is amazing.
It smells so good. And so you can see, like, I'm literally just taking that much. Here. It's going to absorb right into her skin. So with exfoliating and peeling, what it does, because her pores are so clean, it helps the moisturizer to go right into her skin without feeling heavy. It doesn't sit on top of the skin.
So I know some of our viewers want to know, is it just the face this is for, or can you use it other places?
Well, just for sake of time, we only used it on the face today, but definitely it's used on the face and neck. And guess what, guys? This is also an awesome product for people who have tattoos. So nobody's looking at tattoos saying, I need to use a peel on my tattoo. Just a little bit of this product will help your tattoo to become alive and vibrant all over again. It'll be just as if you just came from the tattoo parlor without the pain. There you have it, guys. She has her moisturizer on. She's all ready to go to bed.
Yes.
Oh, guess what? Even if she's ready to put on some makeup and go dancing, it's nice and light. How does your skin feel now?
It feels amazing.
Again, I'm gonna do the touch test. It's really nice.
Mm-hmm.
And it's not oily at all. So, there you have it.
There you have it, guys. The products we used in this tutorial are the Mineral Rich Peeling Gel and the Intensive Moisture Face Cream by Seacret. If you want to know how you can get these products, click the link below in the description box and it will take you to our store. Also, you can become a VIP customer when you spend $99 or more. And as a VIP customer, you're going to get free shipping and other perks, which is pretty awesome. If you want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscription button. And don't forget to click the notification bell, because if you don't, YouTube won't notify you when I put out future videos. Again, this is Keia Valentin. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Peeling or
it's okay. Add it. We're gonna edit this baby. Go ahead. So I can't wait for this moisturizer. Yeah, you putting it on me? What you mean? This is a part of the demo. The products we used today, I used. Oh. I'm gonna get bloopers. Okay.